This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Elisa Stevens. This stunning brand new CAMDEN model is rarely available as a rental. Included in rent, use of Star Farms amenities, once opened, pest control, lawn maintenance, security/monitoring, sensors on all doors and windows including 24/7 recording, phone app for cameras, monthly AC filters, internet, Wi-Fi, and pre-wired for wall mounts for TV in every room. IT brings multi-generational living to a new level with tons of privacy for in-laws, college students, or domestic help. The guest suite features its own living room and kitchenette and can be used as a fifth bedroom. This home boasts many upgrades including custom shower enclosures, laundry storage and sink, upgraded kitchen faucet and oversized sink, magnificent custom wall moldings, designer light fixtures and fans in every room, gorgeous pond view, and a custom mud room with storage for function and character. All dimensions approximate. All information contained herein deemed accurate but subject to tenant verification. For more information, review the details below or contact Elisa Stevens at 561-929-2269 cell.